In today's fast-paced digital world, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for businesses to thrive. With over 330 million active users, Twitter has become a powerful platform for marketing and connecting with potential customers. However, as technology evolves, so does social media marketing. To ensure your business continues to grow and succeed in 2023, it's essential to be aware of the game-changing Twitter marketing trends that will dominate the landscape. In this article, we will explore 5 key trends that can help you skyrocket your business on Twitter. Personalized content. Connecting on a deeper level. One-size-fits-all content is no longer effective in capturing audience attention and driving engagement on Twitter. To stand out from the crowd, businesses need to focus on personalized content tailored specifically to their target audience's interests and needs. Twitter provides ample opportunities for personalization through features like polls, surveys, and targeted ads based on user behavior. By leveraging these tools effectively, you can create more meaningful connections with your followers by addressing their pain points directly. Influencer collaborations. Amplifying reach. Influencer collaborations have been gaining momentum in recent years as an effective way to reach new audiences organically. In 2023, this trend will continue to evolve as influencers play an even more significant role in shaping consumer behavior. Partnering with relevant influencers who align with your brand values can significantly amplify your reach on Twitter. Their endorsements carry weight among their followers and can lead to increased brand awareness and credibility. Video content. Captivating audiences. Video content has become increasingly popular across all social media platforms due to its ability to captivate audiences quickly while conveying information effectively. Twitter has recognized this trend by introducing features like live video streaming and autoplay videos within timelines, making it easier than ever before to share video content. By incorporating engaging videos into your Twitter marketing strategy, you can grab attention, increase user engagement, and drive conversions. Chatbots. Enhancing customer service. With the increasing demand for instant responses and personalized interactions, businesses are turning to chatbots as a way to enhance their customer service on Twitter. Chatbots offer 24/7 support, quick response times, and the ability to handle multiple inquiries simultaneously. They can assist with tasks such as answering frequently asked questions or directing customers to the appropriate resources. By integrating chatbots into your Twitter strategy, you can provide seamless customer experiences while freeing up valuable time for your team. Social listening. Understanding your audience. Understanding your audience is key to developing effective marketing strategies on any platform, and Twitter is no exception. In 2023, social listening will become an essential practice for businesses looking to stay ahead of their competition. By monitoring conversations related to your brand or industry using tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social, you can gain valuable insights into what your audience wants and needs. This information allows you to tailor your content accordingly and engage in meaningful conversations that resonate with your target market. In conclusion, staying ahead of the curve in Twitter marketing requires adapting to emerging trends that shape consumer behavior online. Personalized content tailored specifically for your target audience's interests will help establish deeper connections. Collaborating with influencers amplifies reach organically while video content captivates audiences effectively. Integrating chatbots enhances customer service by providing instant responses 24/7. Lastly, social listening helps understand the audience better by gaining insights from real-time conversations about brands or industries. By embracing these game-changing trends in 2023's Twitter marketing landscape, businesses have a unique opportunity not only to stay ahead but also skyrocket their success on this powerful platform.